Today we're going to be solving LeetCode 575, distribute candies. So Alice has n candies, where the ith candy is a type of candy. Alice knows that she's starting to gain weight, so she visits the doctor. The doctor advises Alice to only eat half as many candies as she usually does. Alice likes her candies very much, and she wants to eat the maximum number of different candies while still following the doctor's advice. Giving an integer array candy type of length n, return the maximum number of different candies she can eat if she only eats half of them. So just to make this question seem a bit like easier to understand, because it's a bit wordy, we're given an array, and numbers that are the same represent the same type of candy. So all the 3s are a type of candy. These 1s are a type of candy. 5 is a type of candy, and 6. So this contains 4 different types of candy. Now, as we saw in the question, she's only allowed to eat half as many as she usually does. So we know a variable called max. The max amount that she can eat would be the length of the array divided by 2. So the length of this array is 6. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So the maximum amount of candy she can possibly eat is 3. But she wants to know how many unique candies she can eat. As you can see, there's a couple of duplicates in this array, so we want to figure out a way to parse out all the duplicates and see how many unique pieces of candy we have. And an easy way to do that is actually just to turn into a set. Think of a set as an array that only allows unique values. So we have a set here. And if we transform this to a set, it would look something like this: 3, 1, 5, and 6. So we have a set here of size 4. Now we have 4 unique candies, and the max amount that she's allowed to eat is 3. So we would just take the minimum between those two, because she can't eat any more than 3, and there's more than 3 unique candies. So we just take 3, and that would be the answer. The answer to this question would be 3. And let's give another example just to explain this a bit further. So let's say we were given an array and all these were the same number. Like, let's say, oh, not like that. I'm not sure how to delete all the numbers, but let's just say all these were 3. So it's an array of 6, but everything is 3. So when we turn this into a set, the only element in here will just be a 3, and the size of the set will be 1. So size equals 1. Now, she can eat at max 3 pieces of candy, but she wants to know how many unique pieces of candy you have. We only have 1 type of candy, so the answer here would be 1. So hopefully you're seeing the pattern. We want to grab the minimum between the unique pieces of candy that she has and the max amount that she can eat. And let's code that up and see how that would look. So I copied the question here. So first we would determine what is the max she's allotted. So Alice can eat the candy.type, which would be the array of candies that we have. So we do the length divided by 2. And as you can see, that gives us 3, because the length is 6, divided by 2 is 3. Next, we want to know how many unique candies she has. So returns to a set. So let unique equal new set. Forgot the capital set, and we're going to put in candies.type to transfer that into a set. And let's look at unique. Unique is the array, but everything that was a duplicate is parsed out. So these are only unique values. And if we do set.size, that would be 3. Let me get that out of there. So this would be a set of 3, and we want to return the minimum between the max and the size. They're actually equal, so it doesn't matter which one we return. So in this case, at least, but sometimes they could be different. So we would go return math.min, and we want to compare the max to unique.size. Size is how you find the length of of a set rather than length when you're doing array. And you see return 3, which is the correct answer. Let's copy this over to LeetCode and let's see how we do. And let's pull this here, paste our question in, and submit. And there we go. We answered the question LeetCode 575, and it's actually quite efficient, like the top 10%. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and drop a like.